Okay, welcome to a video for this Mini 2. This is the DJI sub 250 gram 4K camera. Just simply attach your phone to the controller and use the DJI Fly app. Full comprehensive settings, camera, stills, videos, easy to fly, incredibly stable, and I shall just demonstrate that now to you. So just sticks to the opposing bottom corners, throttle up, and up she goes. There's the sun. Let's get over here. So proximity sensor on the bottom so that it can tell if there's anything underneath it. The camera gimbal goes up and down. Let's just bring it down a bit. You can see that hopefully. This is in sport mode, so it's going to be flying around quite quickly, but just demonstrates how easy it is to fly. Auto home return, GPS, very clever bit of kit, brushless motors, a marvel of modern technology really at this sort of price in the used market now. Very stable picture. If I just send it up, I'll get it over there and I'll show you the image on the screen. Get it out of the sunshine. So hopefully you can see that okay. That is the image over Limpley Stoke Valley. In the corner you'll see a Google map showing you the direction of where you're flying and all the rest of it. There's the house that I'm stood at just down there. So currently at 27 meters, and if I go on up, you'll see the image is extremely stable, pretty quiet as well. I'll just take it up to 100 meters. It was 105 meters. Tells you the battery level. When the battery gets low or the signal's lost, it just automatically returns home. So I'll just bring it down. All pretty boring stuff just to demonstrate how it works. 75 meters. And you can shoot brilliant stills in RAW as well, and they come out at about 8 megabytes, sorry. Here she comes now. Also brakes when you let go of the sticks, and then to land just simply hold the stick down and it'll land nice and smoothly. Really simple. Thank you.